and it's sometimes difficult to integrate IT activities with the rest of the organization. What we need is a conceptual and technical framework that more tightly integrates cyber considerations with all other organizational functions. This graphic, the pancake chart that you just happened to see before in the FBI presentation, is from the Army Training and Doctrine Center, or Command, and it suggests that technologists understand that people, users, location, time, and the physical environment are important considerations for cyber operations. However, cyber operators often rely exclusively on a logical view of their networks and the data that they get from their cybersecurity tools, thereby neglecting critical data that could provide insight to the operational impact. GIS solutions already are widely used within the national security community: defense, national intelligence, critical infrastructure protection, and emergency management. The GIS platform provides a way to fuse the logical, physical, and geographic layers to provide a more complete view. And here we see an example of a GIS with a schematic view of the logical network associated with it. Network analysts and other existing tools can be used to model flow within each layer. However, the real advantage in cybersecurity is to model effect propagation between the layers. So in this case, executives from all organizations are becoming increasingly concerned about the threat posed by cyber attacks. They aren't really focused on the technical aspects of a cyber threat. They want to understand how those attacks might impact their mission. A multi-department and organization solution is required. The groups depicted on the slide have their own specific functions and normally work within their departments using their own tools and data. They may be aware of each other, but their activities are often not synchronized. One of the key findings of a DHS FEMA national level exercise in 2012 was the lack of shared situational awareness. So the key to understanding mission effectiveness by combining cybersecurity, IT infrastructure, operations, and command revolves around bringing all of this information together. So our proposal is to create cyber supply lines. Just like any other line of communication, the communications that support your mission operations are critical to your day-to-day or special event activities. The cyber supply line identifies the critical devices for a specific mission data flow, and each device in the CSL with its geospatial context can be affected by cyber threats as well as physical disturbances. Direct coordination of all those involved is difficult. Therefore, we're proposing a shared situational awareness context which brings all of this information together. So our cyber supply line overlays the logical and physical aspects of the network and allows the mission folks to understand the impact if there is a disruption on their operation.